Top 5 Best Ways to Get in Shape. Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into one of the most sought-after goals, getting in shape. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to level up, I'm here to guide you through the top 5 best ways to achieve a fitter, healthier you. So grab a water bottle, lace up those sneakers, and let's get started. Getting in shape is a goal shared by many, but where do you start? This video is tailored to beginners who want to learn not just how to begin, but how to do so effectively. We'll explore 5 key areas that will lay a strong foundation for your health and fitness journey. The information is straightforward and practical, designed to inspire confidence in those new to exercise and nutrition. Our first method is strength training, the cornerstone of any fitness regimen. Strength training involves exercises that use resistance to build muscle, improve strength, and boost your metabolism. You can use free weights, resistance bands, or even your body weight to get started. Strength training is ideal for those looking to not only get fit, but also maintain their results over time. Engaging in exercises such as squats, push-ups, and dumbbell curls can enhance your physical strength and also provide mental empowerment. Strength training not only sculpts your physique, but also helps prevent age-related muscle loss. Experts recommend incorporating 2 to 3 strength sessions per week, focusing on major muscle groups like your chest, back, legs, and core. Start with light weights and perfect your form. Gradually increase resistance as you progress. Rest between sets to allow muscle recovery. Building muscle strength is beneficial at any age, providing improvements in daily function and increased vitality. Next up is cardiovascular exercise, or cardio, which keeps your heart healthy and burns calories. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking count as cardio. The key is finding something you enjoy. Cardiovascular exercise is essential for maintaining heart health. Finding an activity you enjoy, be it dancing, running, or cycling, makes it easier to stay committed long term. For me, running is therapeutic. It clears my mind and keeps me in shape. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. That's just 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Mix it up with high-intensity interval training, CHEAT, for a more efficient workout. HIIT not only saves time but also burns calories even after your workout is over, thanks to the afterburn effect. Give it a try. This approach ensures your schedule can accommodate your fitness goals without significant lifestyle changes. Exercise is crucial, but it won't work without proper nutrition. Think of your body as a car. What you put in determines how well it runs. A balanced diet includes lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbs, and plenty of fruits and veggies. Nutrition is often the missing piece in many fitness routines. Proper nutrition acts as fuel for your body, ensuring your workouts are effective and your recovery is swift. Nutritionists say to focus on whole, minimally processed foods. Avoid crash diets. They're unsustainable and often lead to weight gain. Instead, aim for consistency and moderation. Plan meals in advance to avoid unhealthy snacking. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key. Limit added sugars and refined carbs. Remember, fitness is 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. You can't outtrain a bad diet. Balancing your food intake with your physical activity levels will provide you with the energy needed to maintain your fitness routine. Number 4 on our list is often overlooked but equally important: flexibility and recovery. Stretching and mobility exercises improve your range of motion, reduce soreness, and prevent injuries. Flexibility and recovery play pivotal roles in preventing injuries and ensuring your body is ready for the next workout. Incorporating activities like yoga or Pilates into your routine can also help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Stretch after every workout. Use foam rollers to ease muscle tension. Prioritize sleep for muscle repair and growth. Flexibility isn't just for athletes, it's for everyone who wants to move better and feel better. These practices aid in recovery, helping you stay active and effective without risking injury. Last but definitely not least is consistency and mindset. It doesn't matter how great your plan is if you don't stick to it. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. Consistency is crucial for success. Staying mentally committed, even if initially difficult, solidifies your routine into a lifestyle habit. My success story is I started small, just 10-minute walks each day. Over time, I added more, and now fitness is a natural part of my life. The key was staying consistent, even when it felt hard. Remember, Progress isn't linear and setbacks are normal. Focus on building habits rather than chasing perfection. Find a workout buddy for accountability. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Remind yourself why you started. Building a positive mindset will guide you through obstacles, ensuring continuous progress. So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to get in shape. Strength training, cardio, proper nutrition, flexibility and recovery, and of course, consistency and mindset. The best part? You don't have to do it all at once. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see the results over time. Thank you for watching our beginner-friendly guide to getting in shape. We've tailored this video to provide practical, achievable advice to those beginning their journey. Remember, every step forward counts. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. See you next time. Embrace these principles and your journey to a healthier lifestyle will be rewarding and fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.